Hi, teacher.
Hi, Adam. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good, thank you. Right, when you can you turn on your camera for me, please?
He's just my baby.
Okay.
1p, 2p, 5p, 10p, 20p, 50p, E1, E2. I mean, 1 pound, 2 pound.
Okay. Right. Let's do this. Hi, Basma. How are you?
I'm good.
Very good. Okay. Right. Let's start with this one, I think, and then we'll go on to the next one.
This one is raising.
Okay, so guys, we're going to continue with money today. Today and tomorrow are our last days, and then remember you have your week off for half term.
Yay!
So we need to make sure that we work really hard today and tomorrow.
Okay.
Basma, have you had a chance to do your homework yet?
No.
So over half term, I've given you more homework. So you need to get it done because otherwise you're going to be quite behind. Right, let me share this sheet with you. Okay, so this is the same thing that we've been doing over the last couple of days. So you need to work out, sorry, how much money there is there and write the answer down.
What do you think?
So, Basma, these ones are slightly easier than yesterday. So you should be able to do these, no problem.
50. 20 is 7. How many?
Yeah, good girl. Well done.
This is 5. Oh, that's 20. 6, 7, 70. Let me just finish. 70. 10 pence, 1 pound. Yeah. 1 pound, 10. Three. No, I just write 1 pound. 10 pound, 5 pound. Usually this doesn't look like a pound. Yeah. 1 pound, 20 pound. 1 penny. No, 23. Oh no, 22. 2 pound plus 3 pound. Oh. Okay. Okay. 10 pence. 1 penny. No. Okay, then. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 25. No, I'm just gonna do it. 25, 35, 45, 35, 35, 45, 55, 65.
Well done, Basma. Good girl.
65.
Wait, is that 10 or 2?
That's a 10 pence. So you've got 10p.
No.
Yeah, good girl. Well done.
Teacher is 65. Is it correct?
50, 60. Yes, good boy. It is. Well done.
Okay. E1. 1 pound.
Is it 18?
21. 11, 12. No. 13.
Well, that is 18. £10, £2,
11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17.
£10, £5, £2, 17, 20,
50 plus 8.
27.
10,
No, 27.
60, 61. Eleven, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. No.
50 pence, £1, 10 pence, 61, 66, and the answer is 67.
18, 19.
I'm done.
Okay, let me mark it now.
9.
I don't think any of these are correct, though.
I don't know. Two, 4. I'm not 3. 37. I done. £1. E1. 6. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 65, 66, 66. Okay, I'm done.
Let's have a little look. Okay. Right. Basma, I'm going to start with your one first. So 70. Right, so Basma, on this one, this is £1. So it's going to be £1 and 10 pence. That's £3, 55p. Good girl. You need to make sure you put your correct unit of measurement afterwards. So this is going to be £2 and 22p. You need to make sure you separate the pounds and the pence. Good. So £1, 10, 15, 16, 17, because this is your pound and then these are your pence. So then you have £2 here, 50, 60, 62, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37. Good girl. And then this one you have £2, 50, 60, 65, 61. So £2 and 61 pence. Well done, Basma. Good try. Right, Adam, let me look at yours. Well done. Perfect. Yeah, both of you just need to make sure, instead of writing 70 or 60, you have to make sure you write pence, P, okay? Right, there should be another page that you need to do. Okay. Right, Basma and Adam, I want you to have a go at this next one.
How much in penny?
So it says how much in pence, how much in pounds and pence. So let's tell you what, let's do the first one together because this is a bit confusing. So if we look here, it says how much pence. So we have 50p, 50p, and 2p. So how much do I have in pence? Well done, Basma. You've done it correctly. Basma, how much do we have in pence?
50 and 50. That makes 100.
Good girl. Add your 2.
And when you add your 2 to the 100, it will be 102.
Excellent. Well done. Good girl. So then if I combine all of those together, it becomes 102p. However, when it says how much in pounds and pence, how many 1p's are there in a pound? Adam, you should definitely know this one. How many pence are there in a pound? How many 1p's make up a pound?
102.
No, not 102, 100. So therefore, because there's 102p, it means that there's going to be £1 because we know that there's 101p's, but there's 2 left over. So it's going to be £1 and 2 pence. So Basma here, £1 and 2 pence. Okay?
Okay.
Good girl. Right, go on to the next one. Right, Adam, try and do the next one for me.
Okay. That's £1. Let's
try.
101. 101.
No. So 50 add 50 is what?
50 at 50 is
17.
10.
No, you know this.
100.
Right. So 50 add 50 is 100. Add your 10 pence.
101.
Okay, I'll tell you what. Let's start from the beginning. So how much is this one worth, Adam?
6, 7, 8.
How much is this one worth?
Teacher, what number is this?
Give me 1 second, Basma. Adam, how many pence are there in a pound? We just spoke about this.
How many pence? 50 pence.
No, have a think about what we just spoke about. How many pence are there in a pound?
102.
No, not 102, 100. So 100. So what's 100 add 50?
100 at 50. 101, 102, 105. 105.
No, 150.
150.
Yeah, and then 150 add another 50.
Add another 50.
So it's going to be 200. And then add 10 is going to be 210. So Adam, here you have 210p, which in pounds and pence is going to be £2.10. Okay.
Okay.
Basma, let's have a look at this one.
I
What did you
don't
want to
know.
ask, Basma?
What's the number?
Right, so this one's £2. Right, guys, I think I'm actually going to get you to stop here because I feel like we're slightly confused. Okay, I'm just going to open a new board.
I don't mean that one.
Okay, which one did you mean?
This one.
Oh, that one's 50p. However, I just want you to look at this one very quickly because I feel like we're slightly confused. Right, when it says £1, £1 equals 100p. So it's 101p's make up a pound. If I have £2, how many p's do I have? How many pence do I have?
200.
400?
200.
200. Good. So therefore, whenever it asks you how much is in each pound or how much is in each £2, it's either 100p or 200p. So if I have a pound here and then I, let's say, have 2p, 5p, I know that this is 100p, this is 2p, and this is 5p. So I add them all up together. What is 100 add 2 add 5?
107.
Good girl, Basma. Well done.
100.
So 107p. So 107p, I know that there are how many pence in a pound?
Pence in a pound.
2.
2.
No. Have a look at the information at the top to help you. How many pence are there in a pound? What does it say
100.
here?
100.
Right. Okay. Is there 100 here?
Yes.
Yeah, so in 107, there is 100. So therefore, this answer becomes £1 and 7 pence. Okay? Because that's what it converts to. Right, I can see that this is a little bit tricky for us. So what we will do is we'll hold off on that for the moment. And we will come back to this, I think, maybe when we've mastered this a little bit more. Because I think at the moment we've got it, but we are a little bit confused. So I think what will help us, let's try before we finish. Adam, where have you gone? Oh, I'm not sure where he's gone. Right, so what we're going to do is... let's have a look at this one. Adam back. Where did you go, Adam?
I accidentally pressed the X button.
Oh,
And
okay.
then-
Right. Okay. So let's have a look at this first one. Let's do this first one together. So it says, show which coins are needed to make the correct amounts. Draw or use real coins. Now, before we do that, in the chat, I'm just going to put what coins we have. Who can remind me? What's the smallest coin I have?
Smallest coin?
Yeah.
1.
1p. Then I have what?
2.
2p. Basma, what's after 2p?
After 2p is 4p.
Not 4p.
Oh, 3p? 1p.
No. So after 2p, we skip 3 and 4 and we go to 5p. Adam, what's after 5p?
10p.
Yeah. Then after 10p?
20p.
After 20p?
50p.
And then after 50p?
100p. 100p.
So a pound. And then after a pound?
Pound.
£2.
5 pound.
So in the chat, I've put the different pence that we have. Now, the first question says 1 bunch of bananas equals 65p. So I need to think about what coins I have to make 65p, okay? Or 65 pence. So let's say, for example, I start off with 50p. What do I add to 50p to get to 65p? What else could I add?
60. What a p?
Yeah, what other coins could I add to make 65p?
You can 65. You can add.
So I'm already at 50p. What else do I need to add to 50p to get to 65p?
15?
I do need to add 15, but I don't have a 15p. So what 2 coins could I use to make 15?
10p and 5p.
Well done, Basma. So if I went into the shop to buy my bananas, now I could pay using a 50p, a 10p, and a 5p, because 50 add 10 is 60, and then 60 add 5 equals 65p. So I have enough of money now to buy my banana. Right, I'm going to share my screen with you. I only want us to do maybe 1 or 2 of these, and then we'll stop. So I would like you to work out what coins could you use to get a bag of apples. A bag of apples costs 43p. What coins could you use to get 43p?
43p. Add at 220 and add 220 and 5.
20 and 5?
Yeah, 20 plus 20 and 5.
Okay, so 20 add 5 makes what?
20 and 5. 25.
25, but we want to get to 43. So could I do, because you can use the coins again, what happens if I did 20 add 20? What would that get me?
40.
40.
Right, so I'm now at 40p, but I need to get to 43p. So what other coins could I add?
2 and 1.
1.
So now I'm at 43p. Okay, well done, guys. Really good. Fantastic. Right, I just want to, we're going to continue that, not now, but tomorrow we will continue that. But I'm just going to share my screen with you to get up our class dojo, because you have both worked really hard today. So Basma, I'm going to give you 2 dojo points, 1 for working hard and 1 for great listening. And Adam, I'm also going to give you 1 for great listening and also working hard. Okay, fantastic, guys. So you're both on 4 points at the moment. Well done. Really good. Right, guys, we're going to stop there. I will see you shortly for our next lesson, okay?
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.